Hey, hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your managed WordPress website. Whether you're hosting with empathyhost.com, Kinsta, GoDaddy, Bluehost, or any other third-party website host, the login access is always going to be the same for a WordPress website. What I'm going to do is take my mouse cursor and move up to the top of the page. You'll notice there is no login link from the front end of the WordPress website. We hide this from the public so they don't use it. All you have to do is go to your website. So replace mkwebsite1.com with your own website. Type in / and WP admin. That's WP-ADMIN, just like that. And it'll redirect your website to the login page on the backside. Now, to log into your website, you need a username and a password. This should have been provided to you by the administrator or maybe the web design company that you're working with. So for the purpose of this presentation, I've got mine already prepared. I'm using a tool called LastPass, and inside LastPass, there's multiple logins that I'm using. I'm going to click on MK. I'm going to click on MKWallBoss, which is a username that was set up for me, and a password that's hidden from your eyes. When I click on Login, and this is what you're going to do on your website as well. You're going to click on Login once you have that username and password. It's now going to transfer us into the back end of the website. And you'll notice that you're inside the back end when you see this heads up display here with all this content in front of you. You'll see this grayed out navigational bar on the left hand side with other notifications about updates, comments, plugins. You may not see this exactly with all these notifications, but you'll see all these other various tools on this black navigational bar, as well as you'll see this big rectangular bar that goes from the top left to the top right. And when I hover over Howdy Mike Kwall, I can clearly see that I'm logged in because there's a logout button. And this is how the back end of the website looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video.